Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex Hero. I come again into this channel. And also, guys, please do not forget to click the like, subscribe, and notification bell so that you can be part of our family and support this channel. As you know, in this channel, we share some great Forex knowledge and we share different strategies to benefit you guys. But also, if you like to use the broker that I use, click the link below and register with the broker that I use with a minimum of $5 and also 100% bonus. You need to use this broker. They have very nice spreads. Click the link below and open your broker and start trading with the broker that I use. It's one of the most recommended broker that I use. And without wasting much time today, I'll be showing you the most strategy that gives 89% win rate ratio. You can be able to make as much as you can until you capitalize and so forth. So without wasting much time, grab your pen and paper, meet me in the charts. Yes, I'm on the chat, guys. Now I'll be showing you just how you could be able to capitalize. Can you see what we managed to do on US30 here? You can see that I said the market was starting from here to come here and to push to the downside. Should it break above, it must come to retest. But now you can see it push further down. So let's start by understanding one thing, that whenever you are trading the Forex market, you need to be aware that some trades won't go your direction. Understand? So let's look at GBP USD. Okay, fine. I want you guys to see something here. We had this trade, it pushed, they kicked us out here, but this one we didn't enter it. Do you see what really happened here? It's simply saying that this order block held. See, can have this. So the market came here, touched here, and pushed further to the upside. So you need to be aware of those setups whereby the market will push down and then it will come back again to pick up their orders. Okay, now I think I'll take US30 and to show you guys how you can be able to capitalize on the US30, the Dow Jones. I know many people, let's start with this one. Actually notice something and then we're gonna start analyzing it from weekly time frame. By us starting from weekly time frame, we are able to see the bigger market and also not be caught in between. But remember, we don't trade what is happening where in the bigger time frame. We only use it as a guide. So with this one, I want to show you the most important factors. This is the most long-term movement. So let's look at what is currently happening here. I'll just remove this, everything here, but all others still held, you understand? So let's use this. So what you can see from this point is that the market is simply showing us that I'm still in control of this. You can see this. We had a break, and then now I believe we are coming for a retest before we can push to the upside. That's what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping for this to come, this to come, and then push to the upside, and eventually we have a chance of pushing up. Understand? So this is exactly what I expect the market to come. So let's go to daily. So I'll remove this because I don't want to be holding on or mirroring the trends. I want to show you guys what you can possibly do, but I can say we have this, and then if we have this, and simply say we have this. So this method here. So I'm expecting a retest on this level. The same way we have retest on lower time frames like your 1 hour, your 30 minutes, we have retest on a higher time frame. So this is on daily. So I'll remove this and then we'll go down to 4 hour, because now I can see we have the clear direction of where the market is simply saying I'm shooting at. So let's look at what is currently happening. So looking at the fact that we must come test this point here. Let's see. The last direction will be here. So we are there. So I'd say, should you stay above, then I look at the market pushing what? To the upside. Pushing to the upside. Right? Then you have something like this. You see? And you scalp it to this point. And you can stop loss here. This is what I'm expecting. What I'm expecting, okay, fine. Now let me show you what really happened on other information. You can see we had this, and then this you can see we went a little bit outside, and you could have had your break here and you put it below this previous low, as I always explain, and then where your tip should be here. Then this one would have given you because you can see we're in a downtrend, and then this one would have given you something like this, downtrend. And then obviously I can see you could take a risk entry around this point. You can take it let's say something like this. Then a trend inside a trend. You see? Trend within a trend. You see? And you take it all the way to downside. Okay. And then again you could have took another sell here. There is reduced risk entry of the break. Okay, so I want to show you a little bit. Okay, let's go to 1 hour because that's where you'll be taking your trades. So I want to show you so that you familiarize yourself with the entries. So can you see why I'm saying I'll only purchase or buy once it breaks this? Because I want to be sure, because right now what we're having a down trend. This trend is still in a downtrend. So there is chances of pushing further down. Understand? And there is chances of coming here before we push to the upside. So I don't want to be caught up in the middle of nowhere guessing the market. I want to enter when the time is right. So I'll only buy when it breaks this and retest. That will be my at most best time to buy. So make sure you don't just rush in buying. You analyze and you are confident, because you can see here, I can see you could have had this one 2023 break coming to retest. So this can be some sort of a, let's go, some sort of a what do you call a retest. But I would have appreciated if we broke this, if we broke this point. If we broke this point, I'll be happy. I was gonna be happy if the market broke this point. Let me change the color. If the market broke the green line, okay, yes, if the market broke the green line, something like this, if it pushed like this, closed, and then came back here, I would be buying, because now I would know that it has broken this high. Now it came to retest, then I will buy high. But now you see it didn't break it, so this could be creating lower highs. You understand? Something like this. Let me show you something like this. So it's possible to be creating something like this. You understand? So if it didn't break this, I'm not much more confident. So if we broke, come back to retest, I will buy harder. So now let's wait and see what the market has in store for us. From me, your favorite mentor, I'd like to thank you guys. Make sure you took the notes, and also you'll be accessing the notes and applying them and making sure that you apply each and everything that I told you. Look at something as well. Look, can you see what happened here? This green line. You see this green line? This is what I'm expecting to happen there. This green line. Come on. Push, break, come back, retest, push, and stay. This is what I expected to happen there. So don't be caught up here in the wrong movement. So let's wait for the right movement. We're gonna wait for it. So we're gonna wait for this. Can keep on going down, going down. So this is really not the right trade to take until it breaks here and gives us a direction. So for now, it's still pushing to the downside. So let it move to the downside. It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex Hero. Catch me in the next video. Peace.